Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by unlocking your phone and going to Settings. Search for Security or Lock Screen so you don't waste time. You need your current PIN ready. This proves you own the device. Once done, verify the active lock type, PIN, pattern, or password. Make sure the battery is above 10% and disable Battery Saver to prevent sudden shutdowns. These checks save interruptions, and they let you proceed straight into changing your PIN without extra setup delays or unexpected reboots. Now you perform the core steps. Tap Screen Lock or Lock Screen Preferences, then select Change PIN or Password. Enter your current PIN to authenticate. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, type the new PIN and confirm it by typing it again so you don't lock yourself out. Use 4 to 16 digits as allowed by your Android version. Once accepted, enable biometric backup, fingerprint or face, if you want quicker access. This combination improves security and convenience. It reduces the chance. Finish by locking the phone and unlocking with the new PIN so you confirm success. Test after a reboot to be certain. Make sure to update any apps or password managers that stored the old code, because synchronization issues can cause confusion. If you can't remember the new PIN or get locked out, try Google Find My Device for a remote unlock when available, or use your device's recovery options. As a last resort, a factory reset will restore access but will erase local data, so proceed carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.